Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this is the important session in which I have compiled so many important match the following format questions that can be asked in your DBT JRF examination. And if not in match the following, you will get 4 questions from a single match the following format question. So I will request you to watch till the end and please include the notes in your revision copy so that you can revise it properly. So let's start the video. So this is the very first question in which you have to match the disorders and the disease listed in column 1 to their respective causative agent listed in column 2. So in the first column, the first one is African tick bite fever. So and yellow fever, microcephaly and sleeping sickness. So this sleeping sickness is caused by the Trypanosoma gambians. Trypanosoma gambians से ये होता है. तो फोर्थ का मैचिंग किसके साथ हो रहा है? फर्स्ट के साथ. तो फोर्थ का फर्स्ट किस में है? इसमें भी है एंड इसमें भी है. सो यू कैन एलिमिनेट सी एंड डी. नाउ इसके अलावा जो है येलो फीवर इज कॉज्ड बाय फ्लेवीवायरस. सो 2 का 4 किस में है? 2 का 4 इज ओनली इन दिस बी ऑप्शन. तो ये भी एलिमिनेट हो गया. एंड अफ्रीकन टिक बाइट फीवर इज कॉज्ड बाय द रिकेट्शिया स्पीशीज. एंड now microcephaly is caused by Zika virus. Third ka second. So correct answer for this question is option B. So this type of questions can be readily asked in your DBT JRF examination. So the right answer for this question is option B. You can write it down in your notebook. Now the second question. So the second question is you have to match the column 1 like galactosyl transferase, cytochrome oxidase, clathrine and tubulin along with its location. So this galactosyl transferase occurs in the Golgi complex. Golgi body में ये देखने को मिलता है. And first का third हो गया. तो first का third कहाँ है? यहाँ पर है and यहाँ पर है. So you can eliminate A as well as D. Now cytochrome oxidase. So cytochrome oxidase occurs in the mitochondria. यानी कि second का 4 यहाँ भी है. So still you have to consider both B and C. Now clathrine occurs in the vesicles first. And first का option किस में दिया है? third का first is only in the B. यानी you can eliminate the C. Tubulin occurs in the cytosol. So the right answer for this question is option B. So B is the right answer for this question. Now moving on to the next question. That is this question. Match the organism listed in column 1 with its feature listed in column 2. So first one is tapeworm, jellyfish, trichinella, earthworm. So you must be aware about the tapeworm. Tapeworm has microvilli on the body surface. So first ka 4. Jellyfish has bioluminescence. So second ka first. Trichinella has viviparity. It gives birth to young ones, small young ones. And earthworm has a lateral heart. यानी कि 4 का 3. So as per the option C is the correct answer for this question. Right answer for this question is option C. Now moving on to the next question. Given below is the list of animals and their respective characteristic. So you must be aware about the sponges. Sponges are known for the collar cell, porifera. So fourth का 3 किस में है? 4 का 3 है यहाँ and ये दोनों में नहीं है. You can eliminate B and D. Starfish is an echinodermat. So echinodermat can be catch with the tube feet. So tube feet होगा इसका 3 का 4 किस में दिया? Only in C. यानी कि A भी eliminate हो गया. C anemone is known for its diploblastic or acoelomate nature because it is and blue fly has 3 pairs of joint leg. It is a part of insecta यानी कि ये arthropoda का species है. So as per the options, the right answer for this question is option C. Now moving on to the next question. Match the species name with its class name. So as you know, Calotes versicolor is a reptile. So P का 2 lizard को बोलते हैं. So P का 2 क्या है? Reptilia. P का 2 यहाँ दिया है यानी कि you can eliminate these. Periplaneta americana, that is cockroach is insects, तो insecta. So Q का क्या हो गया? Q का first भी दोनों में ही दिया है. Now Glyphidrillus birmancus. So it is the Clitellata. So Clitella में आएगा 4 में, जो कि यहाँ दिया है, यानी ये C भी कट गया. एंड एस, एस क्या है, क्लैरियस बेट्राकस, जो कि है एक्टिनोप्टेरिजाई. So as per the option, the correct answer for this question is option A. So you can see how easily you can gain 4 marks.